Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this fantastic ceiling light from Ohniyou. So, as you can see, the design of this fan is so beautiful. I love the industrial / farmhouse aesthetic, and it fits right in with the black iron finishes of my kitchen. The blades are 42 inches and they're retractable. So when the fan isn't in use, they are hidden at the top of the light. And this is just such an intelligent design. Now the power of the fan is really very impressive. I live in an area where it can get hot all year round, and having a fan like this that just really pushes the air down has been ideal. Now it doesn't come with lights, you will have to purchase those separately, but any light with a medium base will fit. And I also love that it comes with a remote so that I can adjust the speed and the light from anywhere in the room. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.